The Urban Residency is your opportunity to learn, design, make, and leave a lasting legacy. It's a 5-day residency program at Kenya Lighting Industries, curated by Nairobi Design Week. The challenge is to design street and sports furniture for public spaces. These products will include basketball hoops, benches, tables, lighting, and solar chargers. All of this is to be made out of sheet metal and piping. If selected, you'll get to experience laser cutting, CNC punching, and pipe bending. You'll get to be a special guest at Nairobi Design Week 2020, and you'll get to see your prototype made and installed, as well as lots more. Designs will be judged on creativity, feasibility, and market potential. The submissions deadline is the 2nd of February 2020. You can apply now at nairobidesignweek.com and see the website for full details.